Hey, NASDAQ. We got an alert. Trading is risky. Of course. I am your host, Alan Palmer. And what are we looking at here? You know what? Here, we're looking at three things. Bonds, silver, and gold. Okay, metals, it'll be gold also. Okay, but we had this, these are 30-year bonds, okay? And holidays can tend to be turns, okay? People change their mind and all of a sudden you got a new holiday. Here we got the bond market here. Look at this island bottom, babe. Look at this island bottom. Okay, so one of my pit trader associates, the whale, a Fed funds trader. Anyway, we have been poking around here. These are alibis, okay? These are alibis. Bonds have not made new lows in the last couple of years. We held lows, okay, from before, okay? So all the doom and gloom, okay, about higher interest rates right here, right here. And look at this. This volume, okay? In my opinion, it sounds like a couple London traders were in the ultra bonds, okay? Those are even longer than 30-year bonds. These were the 10 years. I had a major green. This particular page, this is page 9, this is my bond page here. Okay. Notes and Russell. Okay. Here we came here. We punched into the olive buy. We held it. Okay. The olive buyer sucks it up. Okay. Right to the olive and nobody sees it. And then the following day, look at this. Look at this volume right here on this day. Right there. This day right here. Inside down, man. This guy is blowing. There's a big seller that just blew out. Now, 109.30, okay? If you've been following me here, we can do these patterns, green, olives up to greens, just as a scalp. Boom, bingo, bango, you're filled, okay? It's, what is that, about a 0.8, okay, on a 10-year? So a point is $1,000, and then 830 seconds, which is 25% of $1,000. Okay, so another 250. So 1250 from here to here. Okay, and we'll see here. Okay, if this war is over here, let's go look at crude oil here because crude oil is down $5. Top left-hand corner there. Okay. Here, I'll just give you a flavor here today. This was silver. Where was, what is this, a 3-minute here? Let's go to a 12-minute here. That's, okay, here was 5 p.m. last night. Okay, this is today's session. That's when it opens. It's a holiday. And this is what we did. How many did they buy on there? 1,200. Okay, 1,200. Not huge, but, and this is where we are here. Now let's go look at... here, right here in silver. Here, let's just bounce to silver here. This is live. Okay, what time is it? 8:51. And it is Monday. It's a Memorial Day. Okay. Anyway, here, this is what it looks like on a little bit longer term. Okay. We came down to the green, held. Came down to the green, held. Came down to the green, held. Okay. This is the same thing. Buy the olive, sell the green. Okay? Now listen, you have to sit through all this crap, okay? It's not easy. This one was the easy one here. Okay? This is olive line 1 over here. Olive line 1, olive 2. There's the orange. Okay? And then here, look at this. So say you're up here at 76.14 and you're just like, fuck it, I'm going to buy it right here. 74.72. Oh, there's the number right there, 74.69. Oh, yeah, and sorry about that one. I left the thing on there. I apologize. 74.69 was this olive, okay? This was Friday. We finally got a break. Got a chance to buy 75.50s, okay? 75.48s, okay? And you could see a couple other downward sloping trend lines out here. These are something you want to learn. Okay, if you want to learn how to draw candlesticks, trend lines. And let's go back to the crude oil here, okay? Because we got a lot going on here. So right here on the way down. Now listen, I just put this here because we don't want to have all these lines, but I just put a small sequence here where you got an orange olive there. Okay, as a matter of fact, what was the high here? 94. Okay, 93.90. So $2 higher than this. Okay, so we rallied. We opened. How the hell is that? Oh, okay. Maybe this. You know what? This might be. Anyway, here's where we are. Okay, you got a couple trend lines stuck in here. Okay, it's good for a bounce. You know, it's 5 G's a one lot, and let's look at gold here. We'll go back to silver and I'll put up some numbers. But when you're looking at the charts, you know, freeze it. I know it's harder on a phone, but they used to have a thing where you could blow it up. I don't know. That's got to be someone's patent, where you just blow up the whole screen on a video. And but that's no longer available. Anyway, this is gold here. This 44.89 half. Okay, it's this level last year here. This is the way you trade silver in my years. Not only my years, decades of looking at silver charts, but the 10 years that I just totally took them off. Okay. But anyway, this could very well be the low here, maybe for the year. Here you can see the powder blues over here. If you get under here, you could be in trouble. Okay. This is not out of the woods here yet. We get back over this trend line right up here at 45.85, call it. Okay, it's 84.90 and it's going up. Okay, so tomorrow it'll be different. And, so you just, you can either guess or get my services. And then you got some levels up here. That's gold. And then we'll look at silver again here. Okay, this is like a 1 hour-ish chart. Okay, so in general here, as a matter of fact, here, let's put it up on a daily here. Okay, that is much less exciting to me. Now, if you were trying to buy it at these levels here, but you get under here, look out. Okay, well, how's it going to get under there? Okay, because the mines are on to mine the piss out of this. And now you got, just saw somewhere else. Egypt. Yeah, Egypt. They're going to start mining, or they're taking aerial shots. So, okay, so everybody's interested in mining. That's how it could break long term. Okay, those are the main markets here. Let's just touch, here's one for you that's live here. 328 this is in November, nat gas. Okay, right there. Oh, you can buy it against those low closes right there, too. Oh, that's a monthly. Holy camoli. That hit today. No, it didn't. No, it didn't. Okay, so that's a green possible buy here. What do we got? Here's Jan. This is live. This spread right here, okay, sometimes what you want to do is you want to look in the spreads to see where the big players are playing. Okay, so this one is the July RBOB, which is unleaded gas minus. Oh, this is DECE. Okay, DECE. I thought it was a 1 month. Okay, so it gives you about 5 months. Okay, that you're just trading. That the July is now here 97 cents over what it is in December. Okay, and this is a chart of that. These would be sell areas here. Here, same kind of thing. Green. Here it's almost the high. We're racing up. Here it explodes over it. So your 3-tick stop. That's why you just can't sit on your stuff and you blow through the orange. Okay, because you got an event going on. This is March 9th. Okay. Okay, not too far from where this was. This was the day when you heard every fake news story on there saying crude oil traded 120. Okay, there was a couple futures traders just buying a couple and just exchanging spit just to put the quote out. Okay, so let's go to the July naked. Okay, naked. Here we got a range here today. 317 to 327. That's 10 cents. That's big, listen, that's $4,000. What is this? 480, 480, it's either 42,000 gallons or 40. Here, we could go look. Here, hang on a second here. I'll show you. Okay, this is CQG. If you want something here, RBE, okay, it's 11,400 for margin, okay, and 42, okay. So it's 42,000 gallons, okay, so so that would be a 10-cent move would be $4,200, okay, so it's down 12, okay, so that's down $5,000, you know. Wow. And it's 5 cents off. That was down 17 cents. Okay. So hold off on filling up. And this is what you, okay, here, actually, here's the June 332. This is what your gas station is paying. 332, it's down 13 cents. 340, under 340. Okay. So if you're paying $2 over, okay, that's going to the gas station, minus 60 cents for the tax if you're in a high tax state. So that's RBOB. Let's just look in the bottom left-hand corner just for an idea of what that chart looks like, okay? Here, 251 is the high here today, 247-ish, okay? Down 7 cents. This is a back month, okay? This is what it looked like on a weekly chart, okay? There's your red, and then you got a green, okay? This is a back month. This is why all your research has to be done in each month. Or pay a guy like me to display that for you. Okay, if you need something, head over to NASDAQ. Listen, it's mostly that the traffic isn't on the site, okay? The site is how you get hooked up. Okay, so if you need anything, and it can be in stocks too. The same information works in stocks. These algos do not have a separate algo. Not yet, anyway. Email me, arp@nasdog.com. Always use a risk stop to stop the risk.